Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm extremely excited to share with you the new tool Adobe Illustrator team introduced today in Adobe Illustrator Beta. I'm talking about Sketch to Vector. So guys, let's rock and roll. I have opened this image, no surprise. I'm a big animal lover, so no surprise I started with this image. What I would like to do, I would like to trace this image, and now I can do it with just one click. First of all, I will select this image, and in the contextual taskbar, I will click on Sketch to Vector. Yes, guys, now I have this button, and you have it as well. So I will click on this Sketch to Vector option, and in the prompt area, I will let Illustrator know what I want to do. I want to create a clean outline of this image, no shading, no background, just like that. After that, I will specify the model I would like to use. By default, it's Gemini 3 Nano Banana. Next step is this gear icon. I will click on it, and here we have creativity slider. This creativity slider is responsible for how many details your trace will include. So I will move this creativity slider for this particular image to the left. So I'm asking to include less detail in my outline, in my final trace. Next step is output type. You can specify raster or vector. I enabled vector, and you can see how many credits you will be using with this feature, with this particular model. After that, I will click on Generate. Now, Illustrator will analyze my prompt, will analyze my value for my creativity slider, will analyze my image, and will generate a result based on all those specifications. And voila, look at this. This is traced image based on my original image. And if you will look at my layers panel, you will see that I still have my original layer untouched. And if you will look at my trace layer, you will see that I have all these beautiful layers available for adjustments if any adjustments needs to be done. If you want to have more choices, or you can, if you want to compare 2 or 3 different results, simply click on generate, and Illustrator will regenerate new trace image for you. Also, you can change your prompt, and after that click on generate. Let's talk about another example. So I have opened this image, this portrait, and I would like to create clean outline based on this image. What I will do, I will select this image, I will click on Sketch to Vector, I will type same prompt, create a clean outline, no shading, no background. Now, guys, if you want, you can switch the generative model. Just to show different models, a result of different models, I will switch to Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana, just like that. And after that, I will move my creativity slider somewhere in the middle. So now I'm letting Illustrator, I'm letting Gemini to bring a little bit more details to my final trace. And I will click on Generate. Now, once again, Illustrator will analyze my prompt, will analyze my value of my creativity slider, will analyze my image, and will generate a result based on all those specifications. And voila, look at this. Once again, guys, if you would like to preview more choices, you can click on generate, and Illustrator will generate one more time, or two more times, or three more times for you. So you will have more choices. If you will look at my layers panel, you will see that I still have my original image, and also I have all layers in the traced layer to available for adjustments. If I would like to adjust anything, I can use a look at this, all these beautiful layers. So look at these, guys, how many layers I have right now. I love it. Next step is, now I will show you something which will blow your minds. And now, guys, look at this image. This image has a lot of details in it. And busy street with all these cars, very beautiful buildings with all very detailed balconies and everything. This street sign, the person crossing the road. Now, I would like to trace this image with just one click. Let's do it. I will select this image just like that. I will click on Sketch to Vector, and in the prompt area, I will type the prompt which is very close to our previous prompt we used. Create a clean outline, no shading. Create a clean outline, no shading. I will be using Gemini 3, and I will move my creativity slider all the way to the right. And after that, I will click generate. And look at this, guys. Look at this. We traced a very busy image with just one click. Guys, this is incredible. I hope you will download Adobe Illustrator Beta right away, and you will trace your image, any image you like, and please share your results with me. I cannot wait to see it. So, guys, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time. Happy creating!